Hey, what's up, high levelers? It's Andrew. And did you know that you can engage with leads automatically after a form is submitted using GoHighLevel? This is a pretty straightforward part of the platform, but very important when it comes to lead generation and converting the leads that you get in using your marketing efforts using GoHighLevel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about the different ways that you can engage with leads automatically upon form submissions. Let's dive right in. So here we are in our sub account, and we have created this form here that we're going to be using as our opt-in. Now we want a few different things to happen when someone submits this form. Obviously, we want to reach out to them on as many platforms as we can, such as email and SMS. So I'm going to show you how to create a quick workflow in order to automate engagement whenever somebody submits a form. So if we simply navigate over to automations, then we can create a new workflow by clicking create workflow from scratch or from a template in the top right hand side. If we want to create one from scratch, we can create one with a SMS action or an email action, or we can use a really cool template that we can find from our template library. So we have a lot of different lead nurturing ones, but if we just look up the word lead, then we can find a couple of good ones like our Fast 5 Lite, our long-term reactivation email sequence, and a few more. We're going to be using the Fast 5 Lite. This is a really great way to nurture new leads upon form submission. So we're going to click this one, and then we can click continue here. Again, you can obviously create one from blank and use the same sorts of actions. So what we're going to use is we're going to use our own trigger of form submitted, and then we are going to select our form, being that opt-in right here. And then we're going to save our trigger. So whenever someone submits a form, the first thing that's going to happen is it's going to reach out to them on email. We can customize this. Let's say it is an offer that we're sending them to. So we can customize our subject line and our message here. This one is actually meant to receive a response back from them. So we're going to ask them a question, which is great. We can then also do the same thing through SMS because we all know that conversions happen in conversations. So we want to have as many conversations with our customers as possible through SMS and through email. So we're doing that on both of these platforms. Then we're going to wait for a reply. If the contact replies, then it can go down this route, which essentially is just going to judge whether or not it was a positive reply or negative reply, and then also automate links to book a call if it's positive, or send them to a survey if it's negative. This is a great way to get feedback and to qualify your leads before booking appointments. Or we can also go down the route of if they don't reply, then we can connect them with one of our salespeople or ourselves using the call connect action. We can also drop a voicemail on their phone, which is one of my favorite workflow actions. As you guys know, you can record a voicemail and then upload it into GoHighLevel into this voicemail action, and it will actually drop it on their phone, which is really cool. So I love that action. And of course, sending up a follow-up SMS. So using a simple workflow like this from the Fast 5 Lite or creating one similarly with these types of actions will allow you to engage with your leads automatically when they come from form submissions. So as always, I hope this has given a little bit of information into the different options that you have when it comes to building out form submission workflows. I hope you found this helpful. And as always, thank you very much for watching.